Hello everybody, welcome back to online class once again. This is Arpita ma'am and I know all of you are missing your friends, your school, right? Okay, we are also missing you students, we are missing you really, so please stay inside your home, stay healthy and stay safe, okay? Now today's video is about a new thing. Now in my previous video I taught you the sound of H. Yes. Now what comes after H? Yes, you are right. I. So today we are going to learn the sound of I. Okay. Now let's have a look. This is, yes, capital I. This is very easy. It's just one standing line. This is capital I. Now let's have a look at how does the I looks like when we write it in cursive. Okay, so this is how the I looks like when we write it in small cursive. Okay, so this is I in small cursive. Now the sound of I. The sound of I is E. E. Yes, all of you please repeat after me. E. Yes, very good. You have learned the sound of I now. It's very easy. Now, let's have a look at these pictures, okay? Who can tell me what is this picture? Yes, I can see one small pot and I can see a pen lying beside the pot. What is this? There is written something on the pot as well. I-N-K. Yes, you are absolutely right. This is ink. Okay, what is this? This is ink. With the help of this ink, we write with a pen. Okay. So you can see that there is a pen also lying beside the pot and this is called the ink pot. Okay, the ink is inside the pot, that is why it's called an ink pot. Now this ink starts with I. Okay, E, ink pot or ink. Okay, now let's have a look at the next picture. Okay, this is something interesting. I know all of you know the name of this thing. What is this, students? This is an interesting house, you know. This is made of ice blocks. Yes, you are absolutely right. This is an igloo. We see these kinds of houses in extremely cold places, you know. Okay, now I have a small homework for you. Please write down in the comment section below that who stays inside this igloo. Okay, so this igloo starts with I. E, igloo. Okay, now the next picture. Oh my God, there are so many of them. Can you please tell me what are these? This is also very easy. All of them are very good. Insects. This insect starts with I. Okay. So, E, insect. Now, before moving on to the next picture, you can see that there are lots of insects over here. Okay. I will show you the picture of 4 insects. Okay, there are different kinds of insects, lots of insects. Okay, it is not possible for us to know all of them in a single video, so I have chosen 4 insects. Okay, this is a dragonfly. Okay, what is this? This is a dragonfly. Now the next picture. This is an image of a bug. What is this, students? A bug. This is also the name of an insect. Now the next picture. This is Very easy. We all know the name of this insect, right? This is very good. Honeybee. This is very easy. Now the next picture. This is also very easy. The name of this insect is also very easy. I know all of you know the name of this insect. Yes, very good. This is grasshopper. Okay. Now the next picture. Oh my God, this animal is so scary, right? Who can tell me the name of this animal? I will give you time. Take your time and say the name of this animal. 1, 2, 3, time up. Okay, I am helping you out. The name of this animal is iguana. Please repeat after me, everybody. Iguana. Yes, the name of this animal is iguana. Okay, so this iguana starts with I. Okay, so iguana. Okay, now let's have a look at the last picture. Now we all can see that there is a girl, but she's doing something. Can you please act what she's doing? Yes, she is scratching her body, right? Oh, this boy is also doing the same thing. He is also scratching his body, right? So what is this thing called? What they are doing? This is called scratching. Okay, now when do we scratch? We scratch only when we feel itchy. Okay, this is an itchy place for me. That is why I am scratching my hand. Okay, so the word itchy starts with I. Okay, so itchy. Okay, when we feel itchy about something, then only we scratch it. Okay, so today you learned some new thing. You learned the name of this animal, iguana. You learned the word called itchy. I gave you one homework, that is, please write down in the comment section below that who stays in an igloo. Okay, and you can also write the name of any other insect that you know. I gave you the name of 4 insects, right? Dragonfly, bug, honeybee and grasshopper. But as I told you, there are lots of other insects also. So if you know the name of any other insect, you can definitely put it down in the comment section below. I will see it. Okay, so let's end today's video here. Today you got to learn the sound of I, and please do practice the previous ones also. Please stay inside your home, stay safe. Okay, see you soon in the next video. Bye.